This is one of Orico docking station. This one has a M.2 connector, which is going to let you insert a SSD directly inside this docking station. Very ideal for stocking all your footage or your document directly on the docking station and have it with you everywhere you go. This is why it is very portable. So with this one, you will be able to insert a M.2 SSD directly inside the docking station, which is very ideal in order to carry your docking station with you whenever you travel to the office, at the hotel, or wherever you go. You're going to have the memory necessary for you to do all your stuff. So this is the docking station. Here's the device, Orico. On the back here you have HDMI 4K, SD for a memory card, SD card, 2 USB 3 and 1 USB-C here. This is probably for the PD power, 100 watt PD power. And this is the part that goes on your laptop, your iPhone or your Android device. On the back of the docking station you have one screw to remove so that you have access to the enclosure part where you can insert the M.2 SSD. So I'm going to do that right now. So after removing this, you can see you have the M.2 connector here on the back for you to insert your SSD. This is made out of metal, so it is good for heat dissipation. And I have a M.2 SSD here. This one, this is a Samsung SSD. The model of this one is a 980 Pro. So these are the tools that you are going to use if you don't have any other tools. All these have been provided by Orico for you to complete the installation by yourself without needing any other tools. So this one is a heatsink, and here you have a heat dissipation tape. Here's the metal heatsink. Since on this one I already have the heat pad on the SSD, I'm just going to install the metal heatsink. This is also very good for heat dissipation. So I removed the SSD. I'm just going to insert the locking pin here. The locking pin has been inserted on the SSD just like you see it. The SSD is here. I have the heat tape here. The heat pad is the blue one, and on the top you have the metal heatsink. So after doing all the installation on the SSD, it is time for the installation inside the docking station. Just align it and put it at an angle of 30 degrees. Then you press down until you hear the click, meaning that the pin is inside the docking station. Then you simply need to turn this and have it in this position. So after you've done this, the SSD is fully installed and locked in place. So right after that, here's the back. Put the back in place and add the one screw that you removed. So here's the screw, and here's the tool that they gave us. So simply turn, and it is installed. So just like this, the installation of the SSD has been completed. The docking station is ready. So this is my portable monitor, the one that I use when I am traveling. Pretty much going anywhere, I have this one with me. Ideal to use it with this docking station with the SSD inside. So this is going to be a very good thing for my workflow. Always having memory on my docking station and files that I can use, and directly connect it to this monitor in order to start working anywhere. So for a first time usage, if you're using a MacBook, you will need to allow accessory to connect. So here's the docking station with the M.2 SSD, and this port is the one for power. You can see it has 100 watt PD. This one is a power cable. You put this one here, and then if you connect it to your MacBook or any of your device, it is going to charge that device directly. So you heard it, the MacBook is charging exclusively with the portable docking station. So this is the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable has been inserted. So here is the setup with the HDMI cable. HDMI cable here, and docking station has power connected to the MacBook. It is charging, and I have the second monitor here. These are the SSDs that I have currently inside the enclosure, the 980 APFS and the 980 exFAT.